I do. I started my career as a programmer. In languages these folks don't know anything about, but we talked about it the other day, I think. They guessed COBOL, which was a good guess. To Stellar Menus, we service restaurants, and we really look at trying to improve the customer experience by creating a menu experience, a QR code experience, that's way better than kind of the existing pinch and zoom that people are used to doing with PDFs. We like to say we create QR code menus that don't suck. We're based out of Massachusetts in the United States, and we've got resources in a couple different areas in the US. And then, of course, we've got our development relationship with you all here in Mexico. So basically, we decided to rebuild the application from scratch onto AWS, so it would be set for scaling. And we also made some decisions that we wanted to deploy a lot of the serverless technology that's available on AWS. And so as we did that, we started encountering a few challenges, as you always do. And I think one of the things that was great for me with the team was the team had lots of solutions, and so we were able to re-architect some of our data structures to really make it a fast and an affordable to host system. Right now, we've got 5 engineers working with us, all from ClickIT. Yeah, so we built what I would call a beta platform that we had on the market. It was a hosted platform. But we knew we needed to build something different to really scale and to let people go on the website and sign up and self-provision and all these things. And so I started looking for resources that could help me deliver. I was particularly interested in what I would call nearshore resources, so people in Mexico and then further south in Latin America, because I wanted people in my time zone. I wanted people that I felt shared culturally more what we do in the US. And so I was looking in this region and came across ClickIT and started looking, and I think what really attracted me to you all was your company culture. It's technical skills and culture. I mean, your team has been willing to kind of come forward when they think something could be more efficient, even though I've said, okay, this is the way we're going. They're willing to come forward and say, well, have you considered this alternative? And so I think that to me is very helpful because well, ultimately, I have to make the final decisions. I want input, right? I don't want people just to take what I ask if they think it's not the right way and run with it. And your team is willing to bring their ideas to the table, and I think that's important. I think some of your new and really young resources are really strong, and so I think your ability to recruit and attract new people is key, and I think that's great. And then I think the things you're doing to keep everybody cohesive and culture and engaged are for me as a client really important. I've actually already talked with some of my colleagues who have other companies about you all, because I think that there's a great opportunity in the Nearshore solution for people who are kind of struggling with their offshore stuff that's maybe 11 or 12 hours away time zone wise. And so I'm very likely to recommend you guys, and I gave you all a 10.